Pawpaw Sammy and alley bug here. I come out this morning, my bees are fanning like crazy. So it's about time to start de-winterizing them. I'll tell you what I did, I can start by moving this. Well, I'm gonna start by moving this. I put that on there when the temperature got down to like 27 degrees here a while back. And I run a light. See the extension cord? I run a light underneath, put that over the top and help them out. Now, I see right now, like I said, they're fanning like crazy. So I gotta get them open. I'll turn them loose. All right, that opened them up. Now they can pour in. Go away. Now, going back. Now they can pour in and out of the hive. Now here's the trick, people. When that cold weather set in, I started insulating them. This stuff right here, this blue stuff, which is just a light staple. Well, it's not so light, is it? It came out of an old house. The old house was built back in the 1800s and it was moved right outside of Watson, Louisiana. It moved about 100 miles, really. What they had was some old cheap stickum carpet. Well, you know me. Whenever we pulled that old cheap carpet, they had a wooden floor, beautiful oak floor. It had to be refinished. But I saved all that carpet, made a great insulation. Now on top of that, what else I did, I went ahead and got some corrugated cardboard. The only reason I'm wearing these glasses is I don't want to get stung around my eyes. Other than that, I'm not worried about the bees. Like I said, the carpet was on the outside, plus underneath on the top board. So what I did was, I took this old corrugated cardboard and go away, I'm busy. Go away, I'm busy. Oh yeah. Anyway, what I'm fixing to do now is remove all the carpet, take my shade cloth and stretch it back and get some shade on them. Because like I said, they fan in like crazy. That means they're overheating. All right. Those of you who's followed me remembers how it was set up with the shade cloth. I pulled off all the insulation for the old carpet except that one piece right there. That small hive is not as big and strong as the other two hives. So I'm gonna kind of help it along. In fact, they're not fanning in front of that one. They fan in there and they fan in here. But the fanning slows way down. I mean, with the shade cloth and all that insulation off, there you go. The wind blowing that hard, they got it covered. All right. I think my bees are going to be okay. I hope so. I really do. Hey, my battery went dead. Sorry about that. But what I wanted to tell you, the reason I wore glasses, I didn't want to get stung around my eye. When you see that finger pointing at my eye, I got stung. Sorry about the battery. I changed it. The last part, it comes back up. Well, here we are. Back to summertime special. Got the little shade back and the fanning stopped, and they just run around having all kind of fun. So I figure if I can stop a dozen bees from fanning, they making honey, they ain't making air.